What's up, traders? My name's Clay. I'm Ronin 4X, and we're going to go over the GBPUSD move we caught, the dollar index breaking out, and big shout out to Gabriel for getting funded $400K. So that's $600,000 this week. Members from the Accelerator group have gotten funded yesterday, Eshwar today, and Gabriel's been in the group for a couple weeks now. And dude, pretty crazy crypto guy, super awesome, committed. I came out with a new training specifically for the Accelerator over the weekend, and I was like, anybody go through the training? And he's already been through every single video. So man, results are paying off. So check it out. Check out these moves, GBPUSD, how you can trade off of the dollar index for correlated pairs, so you can find the setups that you need in the market to be able to go out and really catch these big moves like we did today. So enjoy the video. To a certain degree, what's going on, especially with what's relevant right now, inflation and the Fed and interest rates. Manufacturing PMI ties into all that, but like my bias was established this morning using the dollar index, and now that pushed us over the edge to break this band of resistance. So my next line of thinking is like, oh man, we might be breaking out here or we are breaking out on the dollar index. So not quite there. There it is. There's that 86.3 and 78.6 on NU, but this is still in a bit of a uptrend. EU moving lower, and GU, this is a pretty prime setup for what I'm doing, especially using the momentum multiple confirmations here and searching out a setup that way. It's we're seeing some follow through.
Yeah, it's looking good.
So but you know, that all got back to this morning using the alerts that I go over in the training. Boom, dollar index. And so then that I pretty much made a trading plan, or at least, you know, a hit list attack strategy, what I was going to do today based on that. You know, we just got an alert on NZD CAD. That is ideal. So if you are also trading using the EA, this is a 15-minute, or this is a 30-minute. Just to throw this out there, this would be this is the ideal scenario for the EA because this is a 30-minute band on the hourly band. You would have gotten triggered here, and here. But like when it's like a gently sloping downtrend, the perfect setup, or would have been for GA, looking at Euro Aussie like that. So just something that, you know, anybody that's new to the group that hadn't had a time to play around with that, this is what you'd want to look for. And how do I know that? Base it off the 200 momentum. So all the strategies that you know, every single one of them work together. Momentum works off the strategy, trend mark, the EA. And so like, however you can tie that into what you're already doing, or if you're doing it with cryptos or whatever, it's just a matter of like, how does this apply to the way, you know, you see the world, you know, because we all see it differently. So like pound dollar, we're starting to see some great follow through, you know, based on, and that all got back to our conversation this morning off the dollar index, and then using process of elimination of like, where can I find a good decent entry on the dollar index. Well, that's 40 pips since I dropped it in the elite chat this morning for anybody that would have taken that.
GU just tanked totally.
All right, everybody. So this is where we're at now on the pound cable, if you want to call it that way. If you want to call it that, get fancy slang. So we're retesting some big supports here. I would expect a a bounce. We also have the State of the Union tonight, something to keep in mind as we move forward. Oil is above $105 a gallon. This is insane. Hopefully y'all think it is too. But despite that, we still had dollar CAD moving higher. So I don't think the markets are buying that so much, but what they are buying is the fact that we could be moving in towards some pretty serious moves for the dollar as we approach Fed talking about increasing interest rates. And we also have Jerome Powell speaking tomorrow, testifying, I believe, in Congress. So that's going to be a pretty big deal as well. There's dollar CAD, Euro USD. Had a big breakdown today. So this was a trade I shared specifically for the Accelerator group. So you can see here, this morning is up super early. I'm up about 4 o'clock every morning, getting ready for the day and what it is that I'm going to trade and what we're going to go over on live Accelerator calls. And you can see, here's some of the setups that we made. Let's see, here's Gabriel sharing his big win. Of course, Angelo always crushing it in there. Here's Gabriel. Just want to share everybody. I just passed 2 verification accounts simultaneously using my own technical analysis and the momentum strategy. I'm grateful and blessed to be a part of this group. Dude, awesome guy, great vibes. It was awesome sharing with you on the call today too, super fun. He said your training is a complete game changer. I mean all of it, the mindset, analysis, momentum, so grateful. So check out some of these setups though that we shared earlier today. So this was gold. So we had a big turnaround in gold and a nice dip in and out. Sent this out this morning at 6:48 Central Time and caught this big drop. And then of course now we started to rally off of that. And then here is Euro USD trade setup I shared, and that was at 6:14 this morning. So a ton of action, a ton of stuff going on. And if you want to make it happen for yourself and you're like, keep watching these videos, and you're like, damn, dude, they just keep crushing it. Click the link below. Only serious people, by the way. If you want to do this, you're going to talk to me and my team, you got to show up for the calls, respect our time, because we want to respect yours and really make it happen. And I mean, there's a lot on the plate here. Plus we have some things coming down the pipeline that's going to completely blow your mind. It's going to be a game changer. I cannot wait. So click the link below. Turnaround Tuesday, we have the State of the Union address tonight, so that should be entertaining to say the least. And it's going to be a big week, everybody. So appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all maybe on tomorrow's live call in the Accelerator. We're also going to be live trading NFP on Friday. So thanks for watching. See you in the group. Peace.